Choice today with 2017 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power windows. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.